Hi guys, good morning. This is Sonic here. We are on week number 20, which is around 15th of May 2018. So let's talk about what we have in store for this week. Okay, as you can see, we have a pretty busy week. Not so much, but also not so little as well. Okay, as you can see, today is Tuesday, so we have more things coming up. More things to come up. So the main guys, in my opinion, is the Euro. All right, we have on Wednesday. And if you do not notice, it's time for you to notice as well. Another guy will be on the Thursday is CHF. Okay, I have to tell you that most of the time, whenever the CHF news coming up, I mean nothing really happened. Just like JPY pairs, nothing really happened, but we cannot really omit the fact that it can really bring some kind of movement as well. If you remember what happened on 2015 on the CHF pairs. All right, so it's good to pay attention as well. So I repeat, we have quite a bit of news coming up this week, and on top of them, I would like to point out two, which is ECB on Wednesday, and CNB, the CHF Chairman Jordan will be speaking on Thursday. So these two, I think, these two have caught my eye. So let's do some analysis here. Okay, first of all, I would like to go through what we have on Euro US dollars. Okay, Euro US dollars, they have been pretty on the downtrend, and because of the we are at the quite a good resistance already, for this case support level already. So they are sort of like making a good rebound and stuff like that. Nonetheless, I would like to say that it is stay in the downtrend. Yeah, so sorry. So instead of going long, I think it's better or wiser to be wait at the better and better place to 10 short. For example, yesterday we have already proven somewhere around 1.2 level turned out to be a good resistance. Okay, even if they go up higher, for example, like 1.2010, 1.2090, I repeat, or even 1.2150 level. Okay, so there's a three level that I want you to take note of. 1.20 level, another one is 1.2090 level, another one is 1.2150 level. So these are the three levels that you may want to take a look, and these are the levels that you may want to look into shorting down this particular pair. In my opinion, it is wiser to only look for a short entry at the moment, because the chance of you surviving and making money out of it is from the short side is better. All right, so this is on my Euro here. Another one is gold here. Okay, gold is they are trying to make some sort of comeback here, but on the last Friday and yesterday they sort of like failing so far. Okay, so it's like I don't really see so much edge on the buy side and also on the sell side at the moment. So it's like pretty much like 50-50 going on, 50-50% going on here. So my idea is that, okay, now this level 1313 level, all right, 1313 level will be a very good support at the moment. I hope the market will stay being supported by that level. So if you are looking for a short, you may want to take a look on this 1313 level as a good marker. Only if the price go below that level, then it will give you a clearer signal or clear information that is going to go down further. So also on the buy side, you have to make sure this 1313 level is being supported, and wait until it start to show some sort of bullish candle first. At the moment they are not showing, so it is better to wait for a bullish. I mean, if you are a bullish guy, it's better to wait. Okay, this is for my goal here. Another one is Dow Jones. Okay, what happened yesterday was that Dow Jones, they tried to break out to 25,000 level, but I mean they didn't able to achieve so. So what is happening at the moment is they are at a very strong resistance level. So I kind of expected that there may be some sort of resisting coming in and stuff like that. So I would rather say it's a little bit late to long, because it's already the resistance level, and maybe a little bit too early to short as well. Because if you want to short, I think that way better if you wait until the markets try to come back up again, then they fail to break up again. So by then, what will happen is that we will have like a double top kind of formation by then. So overall, okay, because I want you to wait for a double top kind of thing if you want to short, because overall we are staying in a pretty much bullish, healthy uptrend. It's just that they are so-called being stored out because currently at the very good resistance level. You know, if there is more and more push-up coming in, they can break up. Okay, so this is what I want. This is what I want to comment here. Currently, I'm still on the slightly bullishness side. Okay, so okay, when we cover this this particular pair, I want to be as you know, I want to be as general as possible, and I want to be as so-called informative as possible, because we have tens of forex pair commodity to cover. So you know, I would like to cover those that, you know, have a very promising, you know, promising move that coming up. All right, so it's like, you know, it will worthwhile your time. Will worthwhile your time. All right, so another one I would like to recommend, rather, or I would like you to take a look, is that Euro CHF, because you know, like I said, this this week we have Euro and we have CHF. So it may work, it may not work, but you see, yesterday we have a very decent pin bar looking candle. All right, pin bar looking bearish candle. They try to come to this 1.1975 and they fail. So this is a very good signs of you know, bearishness are coming in. I think they are trying to break this level again, 1.19 level again, and I think they are going to succeed soon. Really, I mean, once they break it down, of course, where will they go to? They will go to 1.186 level again as a retest. I think this time they may even succeed in going down further. So ultimate resistance level is 1.1775 level. So these are the pairs that I'm looking at right now. Potential of going down is pretty high in my opinion. So I repeat, Euro US dollars, gold, and Dow Jones, and last but not least, Euro CHF. All right, so have a great week ahead. And since this last week and this week market is pretty much on the support and resistance level, I mean, please balance your expectation, because I understand last 2 to 3 weeks ago we have a very good run, you know, especially we have a Euro USD short. All right, I mean, most of our guys follow, and we have a very good run on Euro USD short, and we were doing very well. And of course, out of sudden, this 2 weeks market is going sideways. So what I want to suggest you, or what I want to advise you, is that please balance your expectation. Not every week you can make money. All right, because market some certain week they will trend, certain week they do not. All right, so have a great week ahead, and all the best. Okay, James, thank you.
Okay, hello. Alright, so for this week, the first there's two Aussie pair that I would like to talk about. So the first one will be the Aussie to the US dollars. Alright, so for Aussie to US dollars, what we are seeing right now is price has just bounced off from its support level at this 0.745 area. So I'm expecting more upside to this pair, and we could probably go above, at least above this level first, 0.76, because we are seeing this kind of swing level which people would have their stops behind this level. So the first initial target that we could have is this 0.76, and if it could break up higher, we are expecting it to go towards this type of previous support level at 0.765. Okay, so right now price is still not moving much for the past 2 days. So should it goes back into this 0.75 area with a very nice bullishness candle that shows up, it will then be a very good low risk entry to enter the trade. Alright, another Aussie pair that has just broken out from its resistance level is this Australian dollars to New Zealand dollars. So on yesterday, price breaks above its resistance level at 1.085, and I'm expecting it to go up even higher, which means that 1.085 zone will now act as the support level, because resistance turns into a support zone. So should it retrace back into this yellow color zone, we would then deem as a very good low risk entry should bullishness candle shows up. Alright, so we have a Aussie news this morning at around Singapore time 9:30, but the price has not moved much. So let's see, in the upcoming week, could we see the strengthening of Aussie across the pairs. Alright, so target area for this would be the resistance level at around 1.095. So we have about 50 more pips to go. Last but not least, I would like to talk about the oil. So the oil, I'm still holding on towards my bullish bias, despite we have a very nice sell down on Friday. So so long as 66 to 69 zone is still holding on to the price, we could expect it to go up even higher. All right. So for those that have a long, you can just still hold on to it. We don't have any reasons to exit the trade at the moment. So let's see where could it could turn up to be. I mean, my first target will be around 74, 74 level first, and if it could go up even higher, I'm seeing that it could maybe reach the 76 level, $76. Alright, so this is all we have for this week analysis from the Solid Arm Mastery team, and thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next week. Thank you.